US stocks fell the most since March late last week. Companies from Ford to US Bancorp sold shares to raise cash, while General Motors said bankruptcy is probable. While optimism has been high in recent weeks, investors did come back to reality with a little late last week, given that we are some way off growth across the globe. Overall on Friday, US stock markets were down across the board, while in Europe they were mixed. With equity markets lower, the New Zealand dollar has also come under some downward pressure. Early on Monday morning, it was trading in the mid-58 cents to the US dollar. The slight ease in the dollar will be of some relief to farmers here in New Zealand. While the growth outlooks for some of New Zealand's major trading partners seem to be looking slightly better, with more optimism around the place for recovery over the coming 12 months, economic forecasts for our trading partners are levelling out, but are still some way off being positive. At this stage, we are forecasting our major trading partners to contract by around 2.5% in 2009. Recently, outlooks for both China and South Korea have improved, but have been offset by deterioration in outlooks for the UK and EU. Moving into next year, we are expecting a soft recovery for most countries rather than a quick bounce back. With this in mind, next year our trading partners will likely grow by around 1.5%, which in context is about half what they have been doing in recent years. Some better news for crop farmers here in New Zealand will be that the US Department of Agriculture has just released crop reports for their market. In the report released late last week, they say the 2009-2010 outlook for US wheat is for reduced supplies and use as lower production more than offsets higher beginning stocks. In addition, reduced export prospects outweigh expected gains in domestic use. This indicates that there has been a reaction to the current market dynamics of big supply and a fall in world prices. Despite this reaction and the possibility of lower production numbers, US farm gate prices are expected to drop off a bit next year. Here in New Zealand, while prices are still currently weak, there are at least some more positive factors emerging for the industry down the track.